status santo. Hello and welcome. If you are looking for an easy way to install a WhatsApp button that directs your visitors from your website to your WhatsApp account, I assure you that you are in the right place. Thanks to this free widget generator, you can install a personalized WhatsApp button for your visitors in a few minutes. To start, there is nothing simpler. Open the link I put in the description of this video, select WhatsApp, enter your phone number with the international prefix, and customize your widget according to your tastes and needs. In a completely optional way, you can choose to modify and customize your widget, such as changing its shape, adding possible animations, a welcome message, and many other options available within the editor. Once ready, all we have to do is click Save and Generate, and the script code will be made available for installation on your website. Once you have copied the script code, you just need to install it on your site. If you use WordPress, for example, you can easily download the Call Bell plugin available in the WordPress plugin library and copy the script code into it. Once done, the WhatsApp button you generated will automatically appear on your website. Remember that thanks to this completely free tool, if necessary, you can connect using exactly the same procedure. A multitude of distinct channels depending on your need and requirement. If your company works daily with WhatsApp and other instant messaging applications, I strongly recommend taking a look at Callbell. Callbell is a CRM designed for businesses that allows the centralization of multiple instant messaging channels, including WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram. Thanks to these features, it will allow you to have a unified inbox shared with different collaborators and different levels of access. Of a section of analytical reporting that will allow you to maintain control of ongoing conversations, and a whole set of tools that will enable you to automate the management of these apps through chatbots and other integrations. I really hope this video has been helpful to you, and see you next time. Cheers!